Hi, this is Stephen with forcecom. In this video, I'm going to take you through setting up a forcecom site to enable integration between forcecom and Twilio. You won't be able to make or receive calls using forcecom before you do this. Before we start, you need to understand that the changes you will make to your Salesforce org here cannot be undone, even if you uninstall forcecom. Therefore, it's a good idea to make sure you've read and understood the Salesforce documentation linked to from the training unit about both force.com sites and subdomains. If you're evaluating forcecom, you may already be in a position to show your users the tool and get their opinion before you proceed. Okay, you've decided to press on. We're going to go to Salesforce Setup. Once in Setup, we're going to go to the Sites settings. The first thing to do is to set up a subdomain for your Salesforce org. This is public-facing and is where integrations like forcecom can reach your org, so choosing a name like that of your company is sensible. In this case, I'm going to use my company name, which is Sarastay. I'm going to click Check Availability, and I see that the domain name Sarastay is available. Note that we're on a sandbox here, so the full domain is cs66.force.com rather than salesforce.com. I've already read the terms of use, so I'm going to accept them and register my salesforce.com domain. Once the domain is set up, you're going to need to create a new site. Click on New. The required settings for the site are that it end in FC for fast call, that it is active, and that the site homepage is in maintenance. It's probably a good idea as well to give the site the label and name fast call so you can find it again later. Now that you've set up the site, we can tell forcecom to use the site to talk to your Salesforce org. Go back to the forcecom settings menu. Navigate to Admin Settings, Voice over IP Settings, force.com site, and select the site from the drop-down menu. You may need to use the Advanced Site Setup if you're on a sandbox to paste in the site URL. And that's it. forcecom now knows where to find your Salesforce org.